Welcome to accountancy class. Now we are going to see about ledger. What do you mean by ledger? Ledger அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து ஒரு summary statement. இப்போ அந்த statementல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா transactions ஓட details இருக்கும். Transactions என்ன மாதிரி transactions relating to personsனா யாரெல்லாம் வருவாங்க இதுல debtors, creditors, proprietors இவங்க எல்லாருமே இதுல வருவாங்க. Then assets land, building, machinery, stock. Okay, so cash in hand, cash in bank, bills receivable எல்லாமே அந்த assetsல வரும். Liabilities ன்னு சொல்லும்போது it is a capital, it is a loan, or it can be a bank overdraft. Okay, so all that and sundry creditors. Then expenses to run the business, and income in the form of revenue like dividend received, interest from investment, or a commission received and the மாதிரி எல்லாமே which take place during a given period. ஏன் இது particular given period ன்னு சொல்றாங்க? Because it is a period of 12 months. It can be, or it can be a period of 1 month. Okay, so whatever date as and when the transaction arises, it is entered. So for the given period of time, and it shows the net effect. அதாவது நம்ம அக்கௌண்ட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணும்போது it shows the net effect, whether it has a debit balance or a credit balance. Okay, so we'll read this meaning once again. Ledger account is a summary statement of all the transactions relating to a person, asset, liability, expenses, or income which has taken place during a given period of time, and it shows the net effect. Okay, now this transactions recorded in the journal and ledger account is prepared. From journal only we can prepare the ledger. So ledger is also known as the principal book of accounts. Okay, ledger is known as the principal book of accounts. Now this ledger is prepared from the journal entries. So the ledger accounts are prepared based on journal entries only. Okay, now we'll just see what are the uses of ledger. First, it gives a quick information about a particular account. Now, for example, you say we want to see what is the amount that we have to receive from a debtor. So when you open the debtor's account, we can know that what is the amount we have to receive from him. Okay, so like that we have different accounts for sales, for purchase, for machinery. For every journal entry, for every account, for every transaction, when there are two entries, so like a debit entry and a credit entry, so on the debit entry and credit entry account க்கு நம்ம இங்க ledger open பண்ணுவோம். Next, control over business transactions. How you can have a control? The ledger balance extracted, a thorough analysis of account balance can be made with which can help to have control over the business transaction. The ledger at a glance நம்ம பார்க்கும்போதே நம்மளுக்கு அந்த amount financial position amount வச்சு நம்ம வந்து decide பண்ணலாம். Okay, whether the too much of debit or too much of credit. So based on that we can have a analysis of the account, and from the balances we can have a control over the business transaction. Next step is preparation of trial balance, and that can be done only when we have the ledger balances. So ledger balances are based பண்ணி தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், trial balance prepare பண்ணுவோம். The trial balance வந்து that is to check the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts made. Journalலையும் ledgerலையும் நம்ம கரெக்டா என்ட்ரி போட்டிருக்கோமா அப்படின்னு ஒரு counter check தான் இந்த trial balance. So that is prepared to check the arithmetical accuracy. And then finally it helps the preparation of financial statement. Financial statement can be prepared. Why do we prepare this? That is to ascertain the net profit or loss and the financial position. Net profit or loss எதை வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்கன்னா profit and loss account prepare பண்ணி அதுல வரக்கூடிய net amount, net profit இல்ல net loss வச்சு decide பண்ணலாம். Financial position வந்து balance sheet prepare பண்ணி அதுல இருந்து they ascertain the financial position. Okay, so what are the utilities or advantages of maintaining this ledger is quick information we can get about any of the account. We can have a control over the business transactions by analyzing the balances, and then we can prepare the trial balance based on this ledger balances only, and then we can conclude the financial position, and we can come to know about the financial the net profit or loss as well as the financial position. So this ledger balance only helps to prepare the financial statement. Okay, children. So what we saw today is, what do you mean by ledger? What is the meaning of ledger? So it is also known as principal book, when it contains different types of accounts. It can be a personal account or a real account or a nominal account. Okay, and then this ledger accounts are prepared based on journal entries which are passed only, and then they show the net effect of the transaction during a particular period. So finally, we see the utilities of ledger. Ledger is giving us a quick information and control over the asset, helps in the preparation of trial balance and to determine the financial position. Okay, children, we come to the end of this particular class. Thank you.